hello and welcome to Dance Lesson with Egils, and today's topic is cha-cha-cha and specifically closed hip twist in cha-cha-cha. We will start with cha-cha-cha basic exercises, then we will look at closed hip twist, and in second part of video we will do cha-cha-cha routine with closed hip twist. And we start with simplest exercise, weight on left foot, and we transfer weight on right foot. Again, on left foot. Notice that we, of course, bend free knee and standing knee is straight. So, one knee is straight, other is bent, and that's very basic transfer of weight. Notice that central area or hips are moving slightly sideways and also slight rotation. We will use this rotation for turning, which is called hip twist. So we turn through the energy of hips, and now in opposite direction. Yeah, now we turn to right. And that's our basic exercise for transferring weight and also for turning as in hip twist. Let's do simple basic, close basic. Man will start with right foot. We go to side, then check forward, replace, side, close, side, back, replace, side, close, side, forward, replace, side, close, side. And now we will add some turn to left when we dance these basic steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. And now very simple tip for footwork when we do chasse. So for example, if I start with right foot, I go ball flat, ball, ball flat. If we will dance all three ball flats, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, it's very difficult to have body action. Therefore, we dance ball flat, ball, and ball flat. Ball flat, ball flat, and another chasse, ball flat, ball, ball flat. Ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball flat. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now let's do exercise for hip twist chasse and rond chasse. So we will do exercise starting with right foot, step back, replace, now forward across, close, and to side. This was hip twist chasse. Now we go forward, check, replace, now round, cross behind, close, and to side. And this is round chasse. Again, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. From opposite direction, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Again, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Let's look at closed hip twist. Man starts with weight on right foot and dance is check forward, replace, now round chassé, round, close to side. Now I will lead lady across the front and dance step back, replace, and then chassé, side, close, side. From this position we can continue with check. Position is called open CPP. Let's do again. And 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Lady steps. Lady starts with weight on left foot. She turns, goes with right foot back, replace. Now swivel on left foot and hip twist chassé. So forward across, close to side. Now man is facing that way. Lady goes across, forward, forward turn, and now chassé to side. And we finish in open CPP so that we can continue with check. Again, lady steps. And 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Let's look at routine, basic routine, including closed hip twist. Man steps, man starts with right foot, he goes to side on one, then close, close, side, close, side, which is time step. Now we will do open basic, back, replace, forward, cross, forward. Now alemana from open position, 2, 3, it was check and replace, and back slip, close. Now we will turn lady underarm and go with right foot back to side and around lady, forward, cross, forward. Now close hip twist. Check, replace, round, close to side, back, replace, side, close, side. Now we will do check, 2, 3, 4 and 1, another check, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Now we turn lady under left arm and go outside, 2, 3, 4 and 1, and basic with slight turn to left, 2, 3, 4 and 1. And from beginning, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 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 under arm 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. And now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with weight on right foot and goes on count 1 to side, close, close, side, close, side. Now check forward, replace and lock, step. Back, replace, forward, cross, forward. Now we go in alemana, delayed walk, straight knee, and turn and brush, step forward and lock step around the man, turning very strongly. Now we turn even more on left toe and back, replace. Now swivel and hip twist chassé, swivel and forward across, close to side. Now forward, forward turning and side, close, side. From here check, 2, 3, side, close, side. Another check, 3, side, close, side. Underarm turn, forward, turn, replace, side, close, side. And basic, 2, check forward, replace, side, close, side, from beginning, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 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 under arm, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And now let's look at this routine to music. If you follow this dance lesson with Egils and you still have some questions about your dancing, maybe some questions about closed hip twist or even questions about other your dances, feel free to ask questions to me through email or in comments. Email you can write is egils.smagris@gmail.com. And now I would like to thank my patrons on Patreon. Without your love and your support, it wouldn't be possible for me to continue to do lessons on YouTube and Facebook, so thank you very much. Thanks all for watching this video. Stay home, stay healthy, and keep dancing.